The repair versus replace decision has a number of factors involved. One, considering the design life of the equipment, what I call the manufacturer's design life. Typically for a furnace, I'd like to say 18 to 20 years. For a water heater, 12 to 15 years. An air conditioner, 12 to 15 years. Now that's not to say this equipment doesn't last 30 or fail in 5. A lot of it has to do with how well the system's been maintained over the years and how much the repair is going to be. So if it's a simple component like a capacitor or a contact or something that's relatively cheap, then it may be worth repairing. But if it's a larger component like a coil or a refrigerant leak or a compressor, it's much more expensive and the dollars would probably go better towards replacing the equipment. If you continue to repair a unit that's constantly breaking down, you're throwing money away. Most people don't even think about their heating and cooling systems until they don't work. And usually, when they don't work, it's 95 degrees outside on a cooling season, you've got a house full of people, and it's a holiday weekend. Now you're forced to make a snap decision. You want it now. You want it fixed, you want it up and running. So if you plan to replace it before it breaks down, you're going to be better off. When we replace equipment, we offer maintenance plans to start on the right foot, on the life of this new equipment. And we also send reminders to have your maintenance completed. If you maintain the system, it's going to perform better, it's going to last longer, and it's going to cost you less to operate.